Hello, traders and investors. Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex charts and market news to give you the edge you need to make informed trading decisions. Today, October 14th, we're focusing on Google, the parent company of Google, a tech giant that has been making headlines recently. We'll be analyzing the stock's current price action, taking into account recent news and events to uncover potential trends, reversals, and key price levels to watch. Let's start with the daily chart to get a big picture perspective on GOOGL's recent performance. As you can see, Google has been on an upward trend in the past few months, breaking through several resistance levels. This suggests that bullish sentiment is strong, and investors are optimistic about the company's future prospects. However, there are some important factors to consider. Recent news reports about the Department of Justice considering a potential breakup of Alphabet, the parent company of Google, have created some uncertainty in the market. This news has weighed on the stock price in recent weeks, but it's still too early to tell how this potential regulatory action might impact the company's long-term growth. With that in mind, let's look at the 1-hour chart to gain a more granular understanding of the price action. Zooming in on the last few weeks, we see that Google has been consolidating within a range, suggesting that market participants are indecisive about the stock's direction. This consolidation pattern is often a precursor to a breakout or breakdown. If the stock breaks above the upper end of the range, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. Conversely, a break below the lower end of the range could indicate a bearish reversal. We can also see that the 1-hour chart is showing signs of a potential double bottom pattern. This pattern suggests that the stock is finding support at a particular price level and could bounce back up. However, we need to wait for a confirmation of this pattern before we can confidently predict a rebound. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we see even more short-term volatility. The price action in the last few days has been choppy, with frequent swings up and down. This increased volatility suggests that traders are aggressively trying to find the direction of the stock, which can be both a bullish and bearish signal. The key here is to pay close attention to the volume and momentum indicators to get a clearer picture of the short-term trend. The recent news about a potential Google breakup has been the main topic of conversation among investors and analysts. Some analysts believe that a breakup could unlock value for shareholders by allowing different divisions of the company to operate independently. However, others argue that a breakup would create more complexities and risks for Google, potentially hindering its future growth. It's important to remember that these are just speculations, and the outcome of the potential regulatory action is still unknown. Despite the uncertainty surrounding this news, Google remains a financially strong and innovative company with a dominant position in the digital advertising market. This makes it a company with a lot of growth potential, which is reflected in the long-term upward trend on the daily chart. As we zoom in on the 1-hour chart, we see that the price action has been influenced by the breakup speculation. The stock price has been fluctuating within a range, indicating that the market is in a state of indecision. This consolidation pattern suggests that investors are waiting for more clarity about the regulatory action before making any significant moves. The 1-hour chart also shows signs of a potential double bottom pattern, which could indicate that the stock has found support at a particular price level and is poised for a rebound. If this pattern is confirmed, we could see a break above the consolidation range, signaling a continuation of the upward trend. Looking at the short-term perspective of the 15-minute chart, we can see that the price action has been volatile in the last few days. This volatility suggests that traders are trying to find the direction of the stock, making it difficult to predict the immediate future. However, it's important to note that this volatility is not necessarily a negative sign. It could also be a sign of growing interest in the stock, which could lead to a breakout or a strong move in either direction. To get a better understanding of the short-term trend, we need to pay close attention to the volume and momentum indicators. For example, if we see high volume on an upward breakout, it could signal a strong bullish trend. Conversely, if we see low volume on a downward breakout, it could indicate a weak bearish trend. It's crucial to use a combination of technical indicators and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. We need to consider not only the price action on the charts, but also the latest news and developments in the tech industry and the broader market. In conclusion, the current price action of Google is a mixed bag. On the one hand, the stock is in an upward trend and has shown strong bullish sentiment. On the other hand, recent news about a potential breakup has created uncertainty and volatility in the market. The daily chart indicates a long-term bullish trend, while the 1-hour chart shows consolidation and a possible double bottom pattern. The 15-minute chart highlights short-term volatility, making it difficult to predict the immediate direction of the stock. The key price levels to watch are the upper and lower ends of the consolidation range on the 1-hour chart, as well as the potential support level indicated by the double bottom pattern. A breakout above the range could signal a continuation of the upward trend, while a break below the range could indicate a bearish reversal. The likelihood of these scenarios depends on the outcome of the potential regulatory action and the overall market sentiment. In the short term, it's essential to pay close attention to the volume and momentum indicators on the 15-minute chart to get a clearer picture of the short-term trend. By staying informed about the news and market events, analyzing the price action on different timeframes, and using a combination of technical and fundamental analysis, you can make informed trading decisions for Google and other stocks.